Hello dear doctors, this is a very good news for all of you doctors. After having the huge and massive success from the previous course for MRCP UK Part 1 and Part 2 written, SsAcademy is coming forward to do at large events in the large cities of India, Chennai. This course is uniquely designed for those candidates who are really interested for the MRCP UK Part 1, having some of the core features and some of the unique features that I'd like to share. On behalf of SsAcademy, I'm Dr. Sumanta Kumar Shah, Chairman and Course Coordinator, and as the Chief Teacher, my dear, and I will be with all of you guys all together to deliver the full lectures of MRCP UK Part 1, and you'll have the tremendous experiences of learning medicine in such an unique ways. I'd like to share some of the important core features that you will get some of the benefits from this course, my dear. In MRCP UK Part 1, you'll get, my dear, the most important things, the 13 systems will be covered. The most importantly, among the 13 systems, you'll have the important, the big systems, including the cardiology, neurology, clinical pharmacology, and clinical sciences. Sometimes the doctors preparing themselves for MRCP UK Part 1, they're frightened to prepare for the clinical sciences because these topics usually contains the clinical anatomy, clinical biochemistry, clinical physiology, sometimes genetics, immunology. Yes, my dear doctor, this course will make you to the peoples to understand, having the good conceptions and applying these knowledges into the questions so that you can get the pass with the success in your exams, my dear. And secondly, you'll get, my dear, this is very much important, that you have the good knowledges but unable to apply onto the questions and scenarios, making the answers to correct it confidently. Yes, my dear doctor, you'll be great to know that you learn the question-based approach, my dear. And because of learning this question-based approach, the people's getting success, the huge numbers in the first attempt, they pass their exams in the last dice, that we have the good success stories, my dear. And the most importantly, the data interpretations, my dear. And fine and tuned data interpreting and making the answers correctly with the confidence is one of the important features to make you to be a successful, my dear. Along with that, you'll have some of the question bank and huge number of the questions set, and these courses will cover the each and every system that will be encountered in your exams, my dear, in 100% cases. It includes the cardiology. The peoples are really frightened to know, to understand, to have the good conceptions and applying these knowledge. This cardiology will be covered. Is one of the another frightening systems. Yes, my dear doctor, the best approach that you will learn how to diagnose the neurological cases, my dear, and that will be really encountered in exams. These respiratory systems will have tremendous benefits to know, including some of the data interpretation, some of the pulmonary function test, and some of the X-rays, CT scan, all together, my dear. And next to the respiratory system, there is the gastrointestinal system and hepatobiliary system. And these two systems are really effective and really important for exams, my dear, that you must know, and you will learn some of the unique things, how to apply your knowledges into the exams. It is one of the important systems I sometimes used to speak. These rheumatologies are high-yielding subjects, my dear. And these rheumatology learning in a different ways, you will have the tremendous experiences, my dear. You have some of the photographies in your exams, so you learn the tremendous and also the huge number of the photographies in dermatology. You'll be glad to know that the nephrology, the kidney systems are really important for exams, and we learn something important idea and something important features of the different categories of diseases altogether for your exams, my dear. Along with this, my dear, one of the important system that is the infectious disease that will include each and every topics, how you can learn and how the things really can be memorized, and some of the important mnemonics, my dear, that will be the important core features. And after having this course, my dear, you will be provided the full set of question banks that are really needed to practice each and every questions for your exams, my dear. And also along with that, the full lecture notes that will be provided along with the photography materials, some of the photographs that will be provided. That means, my dear doctor, you'll get the complete study materials in this course, my dear. One of the important core features, you'll have some of the important SS boxes. These are the most important core features of each and every systems lectures that you'll get, my dear, that will be applied into the questions and scenarios in your whole lifetime. You'll get the mnemonics, my dear. The mnemonics are designed in such an unique way to provide you the knowledge and remembering all the important things to be applied in your questions, making the answers to be confidently, my dear. And these mnemonics are so important. After having these mnemonics, using them into the questions, you will feel that this is working. Yes, my dear doctor, you'll have the tremendous experiences and the lifetime experiences learning medicine in such an unique way. I hope that this message will give you to the peoples to get an idea what courses and what benefits that you'll get, my dear. I'm inviting all of you guys from each and every part of India and all over the world peoples to join this course and enjoy the course and make it to be successful. Thank you very much.